Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P1658, which stands for ETCS Control Relay On Malfunction, pertains to the Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. This trouble code indicates a malfunction in the Electronic Throttle Control System, ETCS relay. The Electronic Throttle Control System works by ensuring precise throttle position and control, which is crucial for the overall engine performance and responsiveness. The relay responsible for this control is part of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM sub-relay circuit, making it an integral component of the vehicle's engine management system. If the ETCS relay fails, it could lead to limited throttle control, affecting vehicle performance and safety. Diagnosing this error requires a systematic approach to pinpoint the exact issue within the wiring or circuit board related to the relay. The DTC P1658 indicates an issue with the Electronic Throttle Control System, ETCS relay. The ETCS is crucial because it manages the throttle opening and closing based on input from the accelerator pedal, influencing vehicle acceleration and engine efficiency. This relay is part of the PGM-FI sub-relay circuit, located within the electronic control unit of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM is typically located in the engine bay or under the dashboard, depending on the specific vehicle configuration. A malfunction in this relay can prevent the throttle from functioning correctly, potentially leading to a failure in acceleration performance. Understanding the location and role of these components ensures accurate diagnostics and effective repairs. Several factors can trigger the DTC P1658. One common cause is poor electrical connections within the wiring harness associated with the relay circuit board. These poor connections can lead to intermittent failures, which may not always manifest as a consistent error. Additionally, loose terminals may result in sporadic electrical engagement, causing the relay to fail sporadically. Another potential cause is a malfunctioning relay circuit board itself. If the circuit board has experienced physical damage or wear, it may not connect appropriately, leading to the detected error. Each of these causes can significantly impact the vehicle's throttle control and overall performance, which is why proper diagnosis is essential. When DTC P1658 is present, drivers may notice several symptoms indicating potential issues with throttle control. One significant symptom is limited throttle response, which can make the vehicle less responsive during acceleration. This lack of responsiveness can lead to frustrating driving conditions and potentially dangerous situations, especially in high-speed scenarios. Additionally, the check engine light may illuminate on the dashboard, signaling that there is a malfunction within the engine management system. In severe cases, the vehicle may stall, especially during low-speed maneuvers or when the engine is under load. Recognizing these symptoms early can assist in prompt diagnostics and prevent worsening issues. For the first troubleshooting step regarding DTC P1658, start by turning the vehicle ignition to the on position. This action powers up the vehicle's electronic systems, including the Electronic Throttle Control System, ETCS. Next, using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, select the ETCS test option from the inspection menu. This test will help determine whether the relay circuit is functioning correctly. If the test confirms that the relay circuit is okay, but the issue persists, it may suggest an intermittent failure. In such cases, it's important to check for poor connections or loose terminals that might affect the relay circuit board and the PCM. This step is critical to ensure that the diagnostics are accurate and thorough. The second troubleshooting step involves checking the relay circuit board itself. After turning the vehicle off completely to ensure safety, you will need to remove the relay circuit board from the vehicle's electronic system. Once removed, conduct a thorough test of the relay circuit board. This test will help determine if the board is functioning correctly. If the circuit board is found to be faulty, it will need to be replaced to resolve the DTC P1658 error. If the circuit board is confirmed to be okay, you should proceed to the next step in the troubleshooting process. This systematic approach minimizes unnecessary replacements and provides insight into the underlying issue. In the third step of troubleshooting for DTC P1658, you will jump the SCS line using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, and wait for more than 1 minute. This step will allow you to check for any stored codes in the system, which is crucial for accurate diagnostics. Next, you will disconnect the PCM connector A, referenced as a 50-pin connector. With this connector disconnected, check for continuity between test points 1 and 2. The test points consist of PCM connector A pin number 25 and body ground. Ensuring continuity between these 2 points is essential for determining if there is a short in the FI sub RLYCL wire connecting the PCM to the relay circuit board. If continuity exists, you will need to repair any shorts present in that wire to clear the DTC. The final step involves another set of diagnostics focused on the FI sub-rail I outline to power. Start by exiting the SCS mode with the HDS. Next, turn the vehicle ignition to the on position to engage the vehicle's electrical system. You will then measure the voltage between specified test points, which in this case are PCM connector A, pin number 16, and body ground. Ensure that the relay circuit board is removed and the PCM connector A remains disconnected when performing this test. If the voltage measurement indicates battery voltage, it suggests there is a short to power in the FI sub-rail I out wire, and repairs to that wire will be necessary. If no battery voltage is present, then the FI sub-rail I out wire is likely okay, and further investigation will be needed, possibly involving consultation of authorized service information related to the symptoms being investigated. After completing the necessary repairs as indicated by the troubleshooting process for DTC P1658, it is essential to verify that all components are properly reassembled. Start by reconnecting any connectors and ensuring that all replacements are firmly in place. Once reassembled, clear any diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, and perform a retest. This step is crucial to ascertain that the issue has been resolved. Pay close attention to throttle operation during retesting. It should operate smoothly without any limitations. This verification process helps ensure that the repairs made have effectively addressed the issues correlated with the DTC P1658. Preventive maintenance is critical for avoiding future occurrences of DTC P1658 and ensuring the longevity of the Electronic Throttle Control System. Regular inspection of wiring harnesses related to the ETCS can help identify any signs of wear or damage before they become serious issues. Additionally, cleaning electrical connectors on a regular basis is vital. Corrosive buildup can lead to poor connections, increasing the likelihood of intermittent faults. Monitoring the overall performance of the ETCS during routine vehicle checks can also signal potential problems before they escalate. By adopting these preventive measures, owners can ensure a more dependable and responsive driving experience. To summarize, DTC P1658 relates to a malfunction within the Electronic Throttle Control System relay. This issue can be diagnosed through systematic troubleshooting steps, starting from verifying the relay circuit to checking wiring continuity and voltage measurements. It is crucial to focus on connections and ensure that components like the relay circuit board are thoroughly examined for faults. The importance of regular vehicle maintenance cannot be overstated, as preventive practices can mitigate the risk of encountering this issue in the future. Understanding the intricacies of the ETCS and related components equips Honda CRV owners and technicians to handle DTC P1658 effectively. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.